9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
If you were used to trading forex this way, like CFDs, analyzing charts and thinking this is the only way to make money trading forex, I want to challenge you that there is the other side of trading options, where you can trade using what we call digits options trading. Okay, so in this video I'm going to take you through a new way of making money trading options markets, and we shall be using Deriv as the broker, right? And these digits options I'm going to show you are only offered by Deriv. So far it is the only broker. So what you want to do, you want to go to Google, right? And when you reach on Google, I will leave the link in the description if you are new to Deriv. But if you are already familiar or if you already have a Deriv account, you go to app.deriv.com and you click enter, and you will have to log in with your account details. Okay, if it is your first time, that is a sign up. Okay, click on sign up and create a Deriv account. Like I promised, I'll leave a link in the description. So let's continue to those, or let me assume that all of you already have an account. So once you are already you have logged in on a mobile interface, you are going to land on this dashboard. Okay, so you can see we have two options. Number one, options, then the next one is CFDs. So CFDs is where I've been showing you where you analyze the chart. You can trade on Deriv MT5. You can use what we call Deriv C Trader. I've made very many videos about this one, and you can as well use Deriv X. So we have three platforms you can trade CFD, that is MT5, right? And then C Trader and Deriv X. Those are three platforms you can trade CFDs, contract for differences. Okay, now if you do not trade CFDs, what else can you trade on Deriv? These are options market. So select options market, and we have various trading platforms. There are 4 of them. Number 1 is Deriv Trader. Number 2 is a Deriv Bot, where we use bots to trade, Smart Trader and Deriv Go. So in this video I want to take you through Deriv Trader. That's the platform we are going to be using. So click on open. When you click on open, you'll be taken to this dashboard. Now you can see when I scroll from left to right, rather from right to left, you can see we have different options. Okay, we have matches, even and odd, and we have over and under. So that is the market you want to trade, which we call digit options. So select the asset and make sure you select volatility indices from volatility 10 to volatility 100. All right, so let me select at random volatility 75, right? So you can see if I select 75, I also select, probably let me first select the first one, which is matches the first. Remember, I'm taking you through digits options trading. So how you trade this one, you first understand the parameters here. Number 1, you need to select the assets, and I've already selected the volatility 75, and you select from volatility 10 to volatility 100. There are very many. So the next thing is you set your trade digits. So for example, this is selected at 5. What it entirely means with matches and differs, when you select 5, for you to win, you also select the ticks. All right, so for you to win, if you select 1 tick, within 1 tick, for you to see the outcome, if the number is 5, if the number after 1 tick, if the number is 5, then you will win to have matched with the number you were predicting. But if the number is different from 5 you had earlier predicted, after 1 tick, then you will lose your stake. I hope this is clear, and you can see the payouts For example, if I stake $10 and I hit the matches, I'm going to get 89.39. That's a lot. And if it differs, I'm going to get only 10.96. So you have to be very cautious, because if they are giving you 89.39 for only $10 at the stake, that means the probability of winning is very, very low. Okay, and here the probability of winning, if it is a differ, it is very high. That's because the payout is very small. Okay, so that is differs. So for example, let me select one that the number within one tick, it will be different from one, and you see. So I have to click on defer, as simple as that. And I'll be staking $1, and let's wait and see. You must be having a speedy network. You must be having, okay, you can see I had to profit 0.96 within a second. Okay, so let's go to a different trade, even and odd. So with even and odd, you also have to select the ticks duration, and the ticks can range from 1 to 9 area. So you can see the ticks range from rather 1 to 10, 1 tick up to 10 for you to see the outcome. Okay, the smaller the tick number, the quicker the trade outcome will be realized, and the higher the amount of ticks, the longer it will take for you to realize the outcome of the trade. Okay, so let me just click on one tick, save. The same applies to matches. That's what we are going to do. Then for stake, you also input the amount of stake you want. Okay, and the maximum payout, they are going to show you to $30 when you stake $10. Okay, so once you click on even, you are predicting that within one tick, okay, the number which will reflect will be an even number when you click on even. So what we are predicting is the last figure, the last price here, this one which is changing. So we are predicting that within the last tick, the number will be either even or odd. So for example, as you can see, the numbers which are changing, we are having 9, 0, 8, 9, 8, 2, 6, 4, 6. So since we have seen, the moment you see frequent like 3 to 4 consecutive even numbers, you can place odd. So let me see, let me place 1, 1, 8, 5, 8, 8, 9, 1, 3. I place even. Okay, that was a loss. 3, 5. I place even again. That was a loss again. Let me see. I place even once again. That was a win. 8, 6, 5, 0, even once again. Let me see, 4. That was a win. So like that. So as you are watching what is happening here for a mobile version, but for a laptop it is a bit different, and I'll make a different video. Alright, so that's even and odd. Let's go to over and under. So for over and under, you also have to set your trade, the number, okay, the number, the digit. So and you are predicting that within one tick duration, the number will be over 1, okay, for you to win. And if within 1 tick it is over 1, you will win, and will be paid 12.32 as the outcome or as the payout. And if it becomes under 1, you will be paid 89.29 when you stake $10. You can increase the stake as you want. You can as well reduce it. The stake can can range from $1 onwards or upwards rather. So let's see. The tick is 1 and duration, rather the digit is 1 and the duration is 1. Let me make it 2, so I trade over 2. So I'm going to be watching again this figure, which is changing the last price of an asset, and the asset here we are trading is volatility 75. Okay, so let me see, that's 1. So the moment it goes below is 2, that's when I will place over 1, rather over 2, 0. So let me place, let me say, okay, the payout is 4.04. Are you seeing? Now the strategy I'm using, the moment it goes below 2, I will place offer. Let me place offer again. Sorry, I delayed. But let me see, the payout is also 4.04. Once again, let me wait another one. Okay, I place offer once again. The payout is 4.04. That's how we trade over and under, right? So a real quick, I want to repeat what I have just shown you. We began with matches and differs, and I said you select the digits, or we call it a number, but we call it digits that you want. Then you also select the tick duration. It can range from 1 up to 9. Then you also put the stake you want to risk, and if you think within 1 tick, okay, price will match with the same number you have staked, rather you have predicted, then you click on matches. If you think it will differ, you click on differ. And matches, you can see the payout is very high, and for differs it is low. That shows that for you to win matches it is very, very hard, but for you to win differs it is very high. Rather, it is very high. The probability of winning differs is very high. The probability for winning matches is very low. That's why they are showing you this. Okay, as simple as that one. Then let's go to even and odd. You are predicting that the last price here, this one, will be either an even number or an odd number. So you can be pressing even if you think it will be an even number, and you press odd if you think it will be an odd number. The other parameters remain the same. You click on, rather you select the duration from 1 to 0.9 for you, rather from 1 tick to 9 for you to realize the outcome of your trade. Then for the stake, it's how much you are willing to risk. Okay, after that everything will be here. Then you click either even or odd, and within a short period of time, actually if it is 1 tick, you are going to see it within seconds. So if it is 9 ticks, then you'll have to wait for 9 ticks, okay, for you to see the outcome. Now then, for over and under, you are predicting that the number you have selected here, it can be from 0 to 9. Then the last price, which is this one, which is changing, will be either over that number or below. If you think it will be over, then you click on over. If you predict that it will be under, then you click on under, and you are going to be seeing the payout. Okay, so that is the introduction part of it. In the next video, I'll show you how to do it on a mobile, rather on a laptop, and I will be showing you different strategies. Until next time, keep winning. Let's trade on Deriv, guys. There are more opportunities, there are more trade types we can use, even for beginners, for you to either make money or make losses. This is an investment. This is where you take risks. Okay, good night.